Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can hide albums from our gallery on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my gallery application, and we can click on these three dots, and then since we want to hide albums, we can choose hide albums. Okay, and choose the albums you want to hide. You can select multiple albums if you want, and for example, I'm going to hide this Instagram album. I'm going to click on the toggle button, and now the album has been hidden, and I'm going to check it in my gallery. As you can see that there is no Instagram album because the album is hidden now from my gallery. Alright guys, and that's all the way to hide albums from our gallery on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.